Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen, incredibly proud to share with you this fabulous looking Volkswagen Touareg. Here available in the range-topping Black Edition, it's powered by the more powerful 3-litre engine with 286 PS of power and also finished here in silicon grey metallic. Featuring matrix LED headlights as well as large gloss black alloy wheels, and there's even a power operated tailgate for extra convenience. But this model also comes packed full of factory fitted extras, which here include the benefit of a swiveling power folding tow bar with trailer assist, which is incredibly easy to use. At a single push of a button, the tow bar will automatically come up, and it features 13-pin connectivity for maximum convenience. Additionally, passengers in the rear can enjoy this stylish black leather featuring seating for 3, center armrest with cup holders, and even 2 ISOFIX shut anchor points with their own 2-zone climate control system. The panoramic sunroof that's fitted is an absolute joy to use, and a quick glimpse in the front will just show you what a stylish cabin it is. Front seat will have the full benefit of being electrically adjustable, heated, memory with electric lumbar support. The driver can operate this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and the steering wheel is even heated for extra convenience. Features paddle shifts for more dynamic drive. The digital cockpit up ahead will also display key information and even benefits from a roadside recognition camera. The optionally upgraded Driver Assistance Pack Plus will also feature the likes of blind spot warning, rear traffic alert, front assist, and even city emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. Satellite navigation can be displayed directly ahead, and it can be displayed simultaneously on both the center display and the 15-inch Innovision cockpit. All your music and Bluetooth can also be operated from the wheel, but the 15-inch Innovision cockpit is a joy to use. It features a tabular-like style, allowing you to personalize the whole look, but also supports a more conventional menu. AFM and DAB digital radio will be available with additional media source inputs. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projection is available, and various vehicle settings will be on offer, allowing you to personalize this Touareg to really make it your own one. Additionally, the built-in sat-nav can be projected here and supports 2D and 3D mapping, giving you a real widescreen view, which is a joy to use. Other great benefits in the vehicle will also incorporate an adjustable sound setting for the vehicle and also various other system settings. Being a 4MOTION all-wheel drive, it supports numerous drive modes on offer, prioritizing economy, comfort, or a more sportier drive, but also benefits from 2 off-road settings, which includes off-road and off-road expert, and snow settings for the coming winter months. Helping you park is a rear view camera system, as well as supporting 360-degree area view, as well as wide-angle lens, and even rear view as well, to make sure you never scratch your bumpers. Additionally, the car benefits from park assist semi-autonomous functionality as well, helping guide the car in. Easy to use 2-zone climate control system can also be found in the front of the cabin and fully supports heated seats in the front along with that heated steering wheel. Wireless charger for your device, USB Type-Cs, air suspension to adjust the height of the car, deep center armrest, and of course controls for the panoramic sunroof can all be found in this gorgeous Black Edition Touareg.